Quick question. What happens when your finally block throws an exception? In JavaScript, the finally block always runs after try and catch, no matter what. Whether an exception is thrown in try, caught in catch, or even if catch rethrows it, finally still executes before control leaves the function. That much is reliable and predictable. But here's where it gets truly dangerous. If you throw inside finally, that new exception completely replaces any exception already in flight, including one being rethrown from catch. Look at this example. Try throws a type error, catch catches and rethrows it, but then finally throws a range error. The caller never sees the type error. It only ever sees the range error. The original exception is silently discarded. Its message, its stack trace, the context that tells you exactly what went wrong. All of it, gone forever. This creates a serious debugging problem. Your error monitoring captures the wrong exception type, your handlers fire for the wrong reason, and the real root cause is invisible. The fix is straightforward. Never throw inside finally unless you immediately catch it. Wrap any risky cleanup code in its own try-catch inside finally. That way cleanup errors are handled locally and can never shadow the exception that actually matters. Remember, throwing in finally silently discards the original exception. Keep your finally blocks exception safe. Follow for more JavaScript deep dives. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.